Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create cutout transitions to your edit on CapCut. So first, just prepare your clips in CapCut, and here I'm using two, and just copy the second clip and make one of them as overlay. Okay, like this. Put it in here. And then after that, click on the overlay, go to cutout and click on customize cutouts and use the quick brush. So you can just brush off the part that you want to cut out like this. And then after that, click on a check icon and CapCut will be automatically cut out the object on the clips. Okay, so now trim the clip into only 0.1 seconds like this and put it at the end of the first clip. Okay, and now add a keyframes, add two keyframes at the beginning and also the end of the overlay like this. And now on the first overlay, drag the clip down like this. And now click, it will go like this. Now click on the second clip, go to animation, in, and select the flash in. Okay, this one. Click on a check icon and now you are done. Here is the cutout transition for your edit. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to click like, thanks, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye.